Now let's move on to sum number 24. Solve the simultaneous equations. And the first equation is 4 raised to x plus 3 equals 32 times 2 raised to x plus y. And the second equation is 9 raised to x plus 3 raised to y equals 10. Now we'll simplify the first equation. So 4 raised to x plus 3 equals 32 times 2 raised to x plus y. Now this is 4 raised to x times 4 raised to 3 equals 32 times 2 raised to x plus y. Now this is 2 raised to 2x times 4 raised to 3, or we can write this as 4 into 4 into 4 over 32 by bringing this 32 to left side on and put it in the denominator. So this is equal to 2 raised to x plus y. Now we can cancel this. 4 will go 8 times, 4 will go 2 times again, and 2 will go 2 times. 2 raised to 2x times 2 equals 2 raised to x plus y. Now this is 2 raised to 2x plus 1 equals 2 raised to x plus y. Equating indices, we have 2x plus 1 equals x plus y. Now we can say y equals 2x plus 1 minus x, or y equals x plus 1. So let this be the first equation. Okay, now we'll move on to the second equation. 9 raised to x plus 3 raised to x plus 1 equals 10, and we can simplify this as 3 raised to 2x plus 3 raised to x plus 1 equals 10. Now this is 3 raised to x whole raised to 2 plus 3 raised to x times 3 equals 10, or 3 raised to x the whole squared plus 3 times 3 raised to x equals 10, or 3 raised to x the whole squared plus 3 times 3 raised to x minus 10 equals 0. Now if you look at this equation carefully, it's a neat quadratic equation. See, we can substitute. Let 3 raised to x equals u. So that we'll just mark this. So what will happen? This is u squared plus 3u minus 10 equals 0. U squared plus 3u minus 10 equals 0. Now we'll solve for u. So how can we split the middle term? You can split it as minus 2u plus 5u. So u squared minus 2u plus 5u minus 10 equals 0. So we have negative 2u plus 5u will give you positive 3u, and negative 2 times plus 5 will give you negative 10. So continuing this, we'll have u into u minus 2 plus 5 into u minus 2 equals 0, or u plus 5 times u minus 2 equals 0, or u equals negative 5 and u equals 2. Now if u equals negative 5, what is our substitution? Our substitution is this one, 3 raised to x equals u. So if u equals negative 5, 3 raised to x equals negative 5, this is undefined, because if you put any value for x, say if you put a negative value for x, you won't get this negative 5, because 3 raised to say negative 1 will be 1 over 3, which is a decimal value but still on the positive side. If you put x equal to some positive value, then again it will be a positive number, or if you put x equal to 0, this will be 1. So 3 raised to x cannot be negative 5, So it is undefined. Rejecting u equals negative 5, since 3 raised to x equals u equals negative 5 is undefined. Therefore, u equals 2 or 3 raised to x equals 2. So from this, what is x? X equals log base 3 of 2. Either we can take log 2 to base 3, or we can use change of base rule and do it like this. X equals log 2 over log 3, and if you substitute the values, you will get x equals 0.631. So this is our first value. So we've got the value for x, and we need to find the value for y. So how can we find y? We have an equation here, y equals x plus 1. So substituting x equals 0.631 in equation 1, we have y equals x plus 1, or y equals 0.631 plus 1, or y equals 1.631. So we have got the value for y and x.